Oh my goodness! Yay! Molly! Yay! Oh, what's today? Today's Thursday, August 13th. Come back here! Come back here! Yeah, like just happened. Molly! Yay! I know! Oh, oop! That was a good catch! That was a good catch! Come on! Yay! Yay! Huh. Should we call Daddy? And Daddy's gonna call Grandma Peg? Oh, okay. Now I got a big fingerprint in there. Yeah. Yeah, and we're gonna have to clarify for the video that although your bib says Wednesday, it's Thursday. Yeah, because Thursday bib was still in the wash. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Molly. Molly. Hi. Okay, let's not call people.